Now, one important thing that you need to work upon on this joining is your numbers. Numbers which are stored as text. You will get it a lot of places. So if we join, what if we join two numbers? Let's go somewhere here and put two numbers. Let's say number 1, number 2, and we join these numbers 1 and 2. So this looks like 12 when we are joining it, and you get number like this 12. Now the problem with this number is when you're adding any mathematical thing, it has become alphanumeric. When you're using a text function to join two numbers, it becomes a number which is stored as text. Now try adding 1 to it or doing any calculation. Sum both of them. You'll get answer as 1. Here you can easily know that this is a number which is stored as text. On a database, you might not be knowing. When you're doing something, like when you're putting into pivots, it is not adding only. It is always coming as count, which when you go to pivots, I'll explain you that. So this is basically a number which got stored as text. So when you're adding something, it is not working properly. And the irony of this is Excel has still to work upon on this. If you add 12 and you manually put +1, see, the answer will come back as 13. But this is when you're doing it manually. When you're using inbuilt functions, this is not going to work. So what we need to do is we need to change this 12 into a number. So whenever you have a number which is stored as text, you can use the function value and this. Now this has become a number. You add 1 to it, sum this and this. You'll get 30. Please remember, you cannot change a and b to a number. Value can only change a number which is stored as text back to a number. So whenever you have trouble with this, always check whether you have done it properly or not.